Hey students, stop right there.
Huh? What happened?
What's wrong, Dad?
Why'd you bring the gaming controller to class?
Oh, this? I was just gonna play it on break.
But the rules say no gaming in class, so give it to me.
Oh, but
No excuses, give it to me.
Oh,
Now go sit down.
man.
Hi daughter, did you bring any games to class?
Actually, Dad, I did, but can I keep it for class, please?
I'm sorry honey, I just took this gaming controller from Max. I can't let you bring the gaming in, rules are rules.
But please, Dad, I promise you I'll get an A in this class, please. Pretty please, Dad.
Okay, fine.
Yay, thanks, Dad.
The things I do for my daughter.
Time to play games.
Huh? How do you still have your controller? What? That's not fair. He didn't let me bring mine.
Shh, don't tell anyone and I'll let you play.
Oh, okay.
I'm so lucky to have my dad as a security guard here at school. Okay, everyone, turn your books.
Sorry, Professor, I'm late.
Max, again? You're late every day. What's your reason for today?
We got a flat tire and the traffic was so horrible.
Are you serious? You have the same reason every time. Look at Joyce. She's always early.
Joyce, how did you get to school on time? The traffic was so bad.
Actually, Max, I wanted to sleep in, but my mom took me here. That's enough chit-chat. Max, you still have to learn from Joyce and get here early, or you have to leave my class.
Okay, Professor, I will.
When your mom is professor, you're always tired because you have to leave to class extra early. Alright, Joyce, if you can solve this problem, I'll give you an A in class. Really, Mom? Okay.
What?
Go ahead. My answer is 2. Wow, you're so smart, Joyce. You'll get an 8 for this lesson.
What, Professor? That's first grade math. Everyone knows 1 + 1 = 2.
What, Max? You're questioning me? I'm the professor. You're next. Okay, you can sit, daughter. Okay.
Oh, okay, Professor.
Good luck, Max.
Thanks. Okay, I'm ready, Professor. What? But Professor, this isn't as easy as Joyce's. This is calculus.
Hello, this is a calculus class. If you can't solve this problem, you get an F.
But...
No excuses. Solve it.
Oh, man. So it's 1 squared plus 1 plus 2.
Wow, this problem's really hard. My mom's so strict, I can't solve that problem.
Okay, this is my answer, Professor.
Let me see. Huh? You forgot the equal sign. You get a C.
But I got the right
No
answer.
excuses. Go back to your seat.
Joyce, it's not fair. Your mom gives you all the easy questions.
Sorry, Max. I'm just lucky. Next.
Huh? What's going on, Joyce?
I'm so hungry. Do you have anything to eat?
Oh, yeah, me too. Here, I got a big bag of chips. Did you want some?
Ooh, I love those. Thank you, Max. What? You guys are eating in my class?
I'm sorry, Professor. I was so hungry.
Yeah, Mom, I'm sorry too, but you didn't give me breakfast this morning. You guys want to break the rules? Max, you have to write 1,000 times, no snacks in my class.
But...
No, give me that. And Joyce, you have to come with me to the office. What? Okay.
I was so hungry. Oh, man.
Joyce, sit down here. Okay. Why did you bring me here, Mom? Am I in trouble? Yes, you're in trouble for sneaking snacks in class. But I forgot to make your breakfast, so you can stay here and eat. Really, Mom? Yeah, here, you can eat all these snacks. Wow, thanks, Mom. You're the best mom and professor I ever had.
100! 101! 102! 103!
Professor, can I take a break? I'm tired.
No, you need to keep going in order to pass my class! Keep going! Keep going!
But Professor, it's not fair. Joyce has been playing video games this whole time.
What? Me? I'm exercising too. I'm exercising my finger. Look. See? I'm working so hard right now. This is tiring.
Great job, daughter! Now keep doing push-ups!
Oh, man, that's not fair.
Come on, Max, get back up! You can do it! Do more push-ups! I know you can! You have it in you! Do more push-ups! There you go! Keep going!
Hi, Mrs. Stacy. Could I get a sandwich for lunch, please?
Sorry, but it's out.
Oh, that's fine. Could I get a slice of pizza or some chicken wings?
I don't think I have any. We just have cereal and milk.
But that's for breakfast. I want it lunch.
That's all we have for now. Do you want it
Okay, could I get some Cheerios, please?
Sure. All right, here's your cereal. $5, please.
What? Are you serious, Mrs. Stacy? It's just milk and a little bit of cereal.
Milk is good for your health. I have more children to feed. Do you want it or not?
Okay, fine, here.
Thank you.
Oh, man. What? Joyce, how did you get all of this food? Miss Stacy said she didn't have any of it.
I don't know. She's my grandma, so she gave me all this food to eat.
What?
Well, honey, I forgot to give you an apple. Oh, thanks, Grandma.
Mrs. Stacy, you told me you didn't have any more food.
I had no more food for selling, but I brought that food from home for my granddaughter.
Oh, but milk isn't enough for me.
Don't worry, Max. I'll share with you. No! You have to eat all of it. You look so skinny. Okay, I'll eat, Grandma.
Oh, Joyce is so lucky. Her whole family works at the school.
All right, everyone, you have 1 hour to finish your exam. And remember, no cheating.
Okay, this exam is so hard. Do you know how to solve the first problem, Joyce?
No, I don't.
I think this is a good time to look at my cheat sheet.
Huh? You have a cheat sheet? I have a cheat sheet too. Look.
Oh, I think I'll pass this exam.
What? You guys are cheating?
Oh, sorry, Professor.
Sorry, Mom. Cheating is unacceptable. Both of you will fail this exam. Please, Mom, can you give us one more chance? We won't cheat anymore. Here, take it.
Yeah, here. Please.
What? But if I let you keep taking it, I'll break the rules. Come on, please, Mom. I promise. Please, I don't want an F in your class, please. Okay, fine. Give me your cheat sheets.
Oh, here.
This is your last chance. No cheating.
Okay.
Number 1.
Hey, no talking.
Okay, Mom. Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Hit that bell button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.